Breaking news in the tech world. SK Group and NVIDIA have announced a massive partnership valued at over $500 billion. This alliance focuses on advanced AI infrastructure, constructing next-generation AI factories to power the future of global technology. SK's cutting-edge HBM memory chips will integrate with NVIDIA's compute ecosystem, accelerating high-tech production lines globally. With a $500 billion scale, this deal reshapes global data pathways to meet the explosive demand for high-performance computing. These high-density data centers represent the physical backbone of the burgeoning artificial intelligence revolution across the planet. The two companies will co-develop and optimize next-generation AI memory solutions, including HBM, to meet evolving infrastructure demands ranging from large language model training to agentic AI and physical AI. In the AI era, competitiveness depends not just on how effectively AI is utilized, but on how much intelligence we can produce, said SK Group Chairman Chae Tae-won. By leveraging SK hynix's AI memory and SK Telecom's AI infrastructure capabilities, SK will collaborate with NVIDIA to build a world-class AI factory, helping Korea transcend its role as a leading adopter of AI and become a global hub that drives AI innovation. South Korea has all the ingredients to become a global AI powerhouse: world-class networks and data centers, leadership in chip technology, and vast industrial scale, said Jensen Huang, founder and CEO of NVIDIA. Together with SK Telecom and SK hynix, we are building a new generation of AI factories that will power Korea's next wave of growth. This landmark partnership solidifies the foundation for the next decade of innovation. I'm Astrid, reporting on the future of AI Horizon.